Customers often migrate from VMware ESXi to the Nutanix Cloud Platform to modernize their infrastructure, reduce their total cost of ownership, and simplify operations. Nutanix provides Nutanix Move to automate this procedure, which eliminates most manual processes. Move also minimizes downtime. Move is designed to handle migrations from various sources, including VMware ESXi clusters to Nutanix clusters, whether they are on-prem or in a public cloud. Log into Nutanix Move. Next, add an environment you wish to migrate from. Select VMware as the type, add a name and the host. The newly added environment appears here. Now we will create a second environment to migrate to. We will select Nutanix AOS as the type. Name it and select the host. This host also appears on the left of the screen. Click on Create a Migration Plan. Hit Proceed. Now select the source, the target, and target container. Click on Create a Migration Plan. Now select the specific VMs and then choose the target network and the test network. This allows you to test the migrated VMs in the target environment without disrupting the source VMs. Select Automatic Preparation Mode to prepare the VMs. Log in with administrator credentials and click Next. Click Save and Start. The process will begin. This process has been sped up. The actual time varies depending on the scope of the migration. There is one final step. Click here to start the cutover, which initiates the final transition of VMs from its source environment to the target environment. Finally, click on Completed. Migration. In this initial phase, Nutanix Move copies the entire virtual disk data from the source VM to the Nutanix cluster. This is done while the source VM is still online and running, so there is no impact on production workloads. After the initial full copy, Move continues to sync any incremental data changes. Cutover. Once the data seeding is complete and the source and target VMs are in sync, you can initiate the cutover. This is a scheduled event that performs the following actions in a coordinated sequence. Shuts down the source VM in its original environment. Performs a final rapid data synchronization to ensure any last-minute changes are copied over. Powers on the new VM on the Nutanix AHV cluster. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.